In this next lecture, we're going to be writing a logic program. So it'll be logic.java. Let's start off by opening up our Sublime Text and inputting our data. So we've named our program we've named our program logic.java. So we've defined our class, we defined our method, and our statements or system. This is our statement. So what these are, this and here, and the whatever that is, the break or whatever it's called, pipe if you will. So this and means logical and this two breaks means logical or, and this bang here means logical not. So let's compile this and let's run it, and then you can clearly see what we're talking about here. So we've saved it, logic.java, our program. We're going to compile that logic.java program. Okay, let's compile it. Excellent, and now let's run the program. So we're going to take off our Java compiler, remove the .java, and run it. Okay, so let's analyze this. You're probably confused already, right? Basically, like, what does all this mean, you know? So they use this for a representation of either true or false. Like, think of it like a on or off, basically, in that regard. So this program would feed into another program, and it would do an action or do something based on this value. Like if it's true, it does this. If it's false, it does that. So let's break it down. So Boolean, yes. So think of this right here. Think of this as saying true. That's all it's saying is true. And think of this no as saying false. That's all it is. So you have true and true equals true. You have true and false equals false. Right here. Right here. Right there. Okay. You have a true or a logical or a true. Oh, that's a true right there. Right here. That's a true. So that is true or true is a true. So you have the yes, no, so that means true, false. So true or false, that's a true right there. And then you have a false, false. So false or false equals a false. And then you have true. So that would mean just by itself is true. So that's true because there's nothing else right there. And then you have a logical not. So meaning this is like the reverse. See, this has an original and the inverse or reverse. So that means not true. So not true equals false, right? So that's why you get this false right here. These are very confusing probably to the first time you've ever seen it. And I know first time I've ever seen it, it's so glazed over eyes. But as you do it on your own and you just get the hang of it, you learn more about it. And the key is just to do everything I'm doing here on your own so that you fully understand Java. So I'd like to thank you for viewing this tutorial.